So we are up on the page, and we'll have to go ahead and look out for the template we are going to be using for this particular design. So I'll be looking at some Facebook posts, and I'll just have to select the one I want to use. All right. So I can't find the one I want to use here, so I'll just go ahead and click on this arrow here so that I can get more templates. So I wait for it to come up, and I go ahead and keep searching for the one I want to use. Don't forget, we are going to be using a template to welcome or introduce yourself as a teacher to your scholars. So I think I found this one. I'll click on this one and start up. So I'll be clicking on this image. All right, so I'll click on replace to change it to my own picture, to take me to my gallery, and I'll look out for the picture I intend to use. I'll just click on this one straight up, and then once clicked on it, it gets replaced. So I'll have to crop it so that it can be aligned because it seems it's cutting the head off. So I'll click on crop. Just observe my guiding arrows as I say all this. So I'll click on crop and I begin to adjust it by bringing it down so that the full portrait will be shown there. And having done that, I'll go ahead and click on this one up there because I want to write out my name. So I'll click on it and then type my name over there. So don't forget, like I said, we are actually introducing ourselves to our scholars. Probably you're having an online class and you want to introduce yourself. Okay, so your name ought to be there. So I haven't done that. I'll then drag it down to where the picture is. Okay. All right. So I've taken it there, and I'll have to adjust it so that it will just fit into a line. Then I can go ahead and um, copy the name. You can see what I just clicked on. That's copy. Then I type let me say your teacher or your tutor, anyone you want to type. Okay, it's for an online class, so I'll just type your teacher. All right. So for this online, um I'll have to work on the color. I think I want the color to be changed. So I click on color, and then I'll go ahead and wait for the colors to come up. Okay. I click on white. I think white is fine for me. And I'll do the same thing for teacher. Alright. So I haven't done that for the teacher. I think I'm okay with those ones over there. Then I'll come up to start working on writing the body of this flyer. So I'll be starting up with this online first of all. I like the online, I like the color, so I'll be using it for online actually because it's an online class. So I'll bring it down and then take that store up. I'll have to take that store up and use it to type I'll edit it actually by typing business studies instead. Okay. So I'll type business studies, I'll make my adjustments by clicking on the line spacing, observe my arrows, then I adjust the line space by clicking on this, dragging it backwards so that it can come up. And then having done that, I drag it up again for adjustments. I can even decide to reduce it a bit. Okay, yes, I think it's fine this way. And I take it upward as well, just to make sure adjustment, because when you're working with graphics you need to make sure that everything is aligned. Observe the lines. Okay, those dotted lines are actually going to be helpful. So I'll work on the online now. All right, and I'll use it to type online class. Okay, so I'll just type online class because I already have online. So I copied it again and then clicked on the one I copied and then I type class. Okay, so I'll go ahead and do some adjustment as well. As you can see, adjusting it so that it will fit in for both of them. Okay, so just take it and observe what I'm doing. Okay, adjusting that of the class as well. Adjusting class so that I'll want to bring the other write up down because there's something I want to write as well. So I want to make sure that this class fits in. So I'll bring it down, then bring class to where it ought to be, and I think that will be fine. Okay, so I'll go ahead and work on those write up right there, and I'll have to type something, but let me adjust this one down so that I can have space to type what I want to type. So I click on it and then I'll type what I want to type. Don't forget that you are introducing yourself to your scholars for an online class, so you need to get them prepared. Okay, so I'll be typing get ready to explore, get ready to explore into the business world, and I think it's fine. So I'll go ahead and adjust it, okay, by working on the fonts. Okay, so I click on fonts and I choose any font of my choice. Okay, any font at all, as far as it is legible, that's the most important thing. Your font has to be legible. Okay, so what can be readable by your viewers. So I'll pick the font I want and I'll go ahead and click on font size because I want it to be bigger. Alright, so I'll adjust the size by dragging it the way you are seeing it, and I'll begin to adjust. Alright, I think it's fine this way. Okay, so I'll work on this one by typing something else, so I have to edit it, and I'll just to make my scholars ready for me. Okay, so I just type, I think let's get started, it's fine. Alright, so I've typed let's get started and I think I'm good to go. I'm okay with what I've done right now. So I want to do a little bit of touching color styles just to make it much more attractive. So I'll click on that box over there, just click on it and click on color, and then I will look out for the color I want. I'll just click on color blue and you can see how fine it is. I'll do it for the one below as well by clicking on the one below. So observe, make sure that you are highlighting what you want so you won't end up highlighting the wrong one. And I also click on blue and I'm fine with it. So I think my work is actually okay. This is a very simple graphic design. I would like you to keep on trying. So I clicked on elements. I want to add up something just for the background, okay? And I'll be typing business and money just to give a little touch at the background of this so that it will look more like an online class. So I'll type business and I'll type money and let's see what it will bring up for us, okay? All right. I've typed business, I've typed money, so I'll click on search and it will bring up what it has for us when it comes to money business. It's going to be bringing out some graphics, some videos, and some pictures. Okay, so I'll want to work with the graphic and I'll go ahead and search for the one I want. I think I'm okay with this particular one here. Yeah, I think it's fine. Alright, so I've clicked on it and I'll bring it to where I want it to be. So observe my dragging, my enlargement, and then see where I'm actually fixing it up. Okay, now I'll have to make it bigger so that it can be visible. So observe my arrows and see that I won't place it where I want it. I will then click on transparency. So I won't click on transparency. I'll then reduce its effects by making it look transparent. Sometimes you see some billboards and you see some things inside and you wonder how did I get it done? This is just how it's been done. So just reduce it this way. And I want to be off where the picture is because it's still kind of making it look bad. So I'll click on this toner here and I'll adjust it to be off where the face or the profile is. So I'm going to adjust it the way I think it's going to be nice and okay, just observe, okay? So I've taken it up this way and I think I'm just okay with it this way. So you can, go ahead and save your work because our work now is okay to me. It's fine. It's just decent enough and it's okay. So give it a try as well. All right, give it a try. Make sure that you keep on practicing and you see yourself, excelling when it comes to graphic. All right, so you go ahead and save your work by clicking on that download right there, and your work will get saved. And don't forget that when you're like, you have to wait for your work to be saved. Okay, you don't have to leave. So once your work is saved, you can then send it to any media you want it to be sent to, be it WhatsApp, Facebook, or what have you. So keep on trying. I would like to have your feedback and your comments. Thank you so much. Bye.